how to share Microsoft Word document to email. Okay, go to Chrome. Here in Chrome, search the word.cloud.microsoft and now create a blank document. So for my example, I create a document here, and to send this Microsoft Word document to email, you'll have to do is click the file button on the upper left side on your screen and go to share. Here in share, there are two options to share in email. You can click this share or you can copy to link this document. First, select share. Here in share, you can add a name, group, or email. So for my example, I put an email here, and also you can add a message. So this is an example only. So okay, to share to email this document, you'll have to do is click the send button or you can copy the link. If you click the send button, I received this document via email. So if you want to view this document, click open. And now you send this document via email. Another one to send this document, so you'll have to do is select the copy link to this document and click copy on pop-up, and now you can copy this document. So for my example, I send via email, click compose and paste it on this email, this link, and enter the email you want to send this link. And after that, click send button. And now I received this link via email. You can tap this and view this document. So that's it. This is the two way to send the Microsoft Word document to email.